Hi everyone, today we are making a tangy spicy sauce with Ugandan chilies. So we went to the supermarket to get some Ugandan chilies and coriander and some halloumi to pair it with our sauce. To prepare, we take some sliced halloumi, the slices are medium in size, and then the Ugandan chilies. I'll describe to you the spice levels, the different spice levels you can achieve later on in the video. I've taken 10 to 11, some coriander for garnishing, 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, an inch of ginger, some lime and salt, mustard seeds and oil. We first make the tomato puree using the 2 tomatoes. And then we take it out in a bowl. Next, in the jar, take the garlic, then the ginger, and then 10 to 11 chilies. I took 10 to 11 chilies, but if you want more spicy, you can even go up to 15 or 20. But be careful and adjust it according to the level that you are used to or that you can sustain. And then after that we add some water and then we make a puree out of that. We then take out all of this mixture in a bowl. Now we are ready to cook. Let's take some oil, or if you prefer butter, in a pan. We add some mustard seeds. We let the mustard seeds crackle and then add the chili sauce that we just prepared, and we allow it to cook for a while. We cook this mixture until some of the water dries out. Then add the tomato puree and cook until the oil starts to separate. Next, we add the salt and then we again let it cook for a while. We then add the lime and squeeze it really well all across so that we are able to mix it properly. And then we let it cook again. Finally, add some water as needed and maintain the consistency to a semi-liquid state. To plate, I have already prepared the halloumi fries. I have roasted them and we now serve the sauce in a bowl to go with the halloumi fries, and we garnish it with some coriander. So guys, here we have with us our chili sauce that we just made out of Ugandan chilies. And today I'm pairing this up with the halloumi fries. And I have some lemon here to sprinkle on top. But you can pair it with anything else that is fatty and salty, for example, fries or paneer. So let's give it a go, how it tastes with our halloumi fries. I'm really excited for this one. I love chilies. So let's see. Yeah. Scrunching. Oh. So you can taste the salt of the halloumi and the chili coming through from the chilies. Yeah, I mean, if you want more spice, this is really spicy, but if you want less spicy, you can use less chilies. But I prefer it's more spicy. And you saw we added some lemon for the zing, and there's some tomato which is fully cooked. But oh man, this is really good. I really like this. Oh, in the midst of all of this, I almost forgot that I could sprinkle some lemon on top. So let's just sprinkle some lemon on top of this. Oof, you can see that this is going to go really well, guys. Really, really well. I'm going to take a big bunch of it. Oh man. Ooh. The thing with these chilies is it hits you right on the tongue. And as it goes down, you feel it, but they're not so strong on your belly, so it's all right. But you can really crank it up if you want to feel it in your belly. I'm sure I'm going to feel this after a while, but as you can see, I'm not tearing up or I'm not sweating, but this is spicy, guys. Trust me. Oof. So as you can see, I have my halloumi fries. I'm going to dig through them. But you guys let me know when you make this chutney or sauce. How do you feel? How does it taste? And hit the like and subscribe button if you want to follow us for more such recipes. Thank you.